Today we're going to be looking at how to divide integers. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how to divide a positive integer by a negative integer. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we're being asked to divide 15 by negative 3. Clearly here we have two different signs in this equation, and as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, whenever we're dividing integers that have different signs, our answer is going to be a negative quotient. So we can think about this 15 divided by negative 3 as just 15 being divided by 3. Well, that's going to give us a quotient of 5, but this 5 is going to be a negative because we have two different signs in this equation. So when we divide 15 by negative 3, we get the quotient of negative 5. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to divide 48 by negative 12. So once again, we have different signs here in this problem. So our answer is going to be a negative. So we can treat this as just dividing 48 by 12. And when we do this, we get a quotient of 4, and this 4 is going to be a negative 4 because we have two different signs in this equation. So when we divide 48 by negative 12, we get the quotient of negative 4. So hopefully by now you understand how to divide integers. Specifically, how to divide a positive integer by a negative integer. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.